Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Buick Regal. First, ensure your vehicle is equipped with remote start. Check your key fob for the specific remote start button. Make sure all doors, the hood, and the trunk are securely closed. The car must also be locked for the system to activate. This setup ensures safety and proper function before starting. To use your key fob, first press the lock button once. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button. Keep holding it down for about 2 to 3 seconds until you see the parking lights flash and hear the engine start. This sequence sends the signal to your car, initiating the startup process smoothly. Remember, the car must be locked for this to work. If you prefer using your phone, download the My Buick mobile application. Ensure you have an Active on Star subscription, as this service often powers the app's remote features. Open the app, select your vehicle, and then tap the remote start icon. Confirm the command, and your car will start. This offers convenience from almost anywhere with a stable internet connection. If your Buick Regal isn't starting remotely, first check for any dashboard warning lights. Ensure the hood is completely latched, as a safety feature prevents starting if it's open. Also, confirm your fuel level is adequate. For a cleaner home, consider upgrading your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for a link to this amazing product and other great deals to enhance your daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.